We're so glad you could join us on campus today for a virtual tour. My name is Ms. Kristen Campbell, and I'm the head of school here.
And I'm Bill Seidel, I'm the principal. A few of our amazing scholars are going to be showing you around, and I hope you enjoy your tour.
Hello, I am Dominic and I am in 11th grade.
And I'm Catherine and I'm in the 9th grade.
And we're going to show you our favorite spots on campus. Come with us!
When you walk the halls of our main building, you're sure to hear lots of noise. That's because our stage performances, open mic, dance, and music classes take place here.
I love performing in the theater because I get to share so many memories with my friends. Performing on the stage makes me feel alive and makes me feel like I can do anything in the world. I have learned so much through our theater department, like being able to share my talents with everyone.
Let's explore the digital studio.
The Digital Studio offers classes in social media, digital media, graphic design, yearbook, and journalism. This is one of my favorite places on campus. This year, I've learned how to use Photoshop and design graphics for our award-winning yearbook.
We have a thriving journalism program at One School of the Arts. Our scholars have the opportunity to attend national conventions, participate in journalism competitions, and earn resume wins. Our team has traveled to San Francisco, New York, Chicago, and is planning an international trip to Italy for a photojournalism tour.
This is one of our colorful classrooms here in Grace Center. In addition to our high school classrooms, Grace Center also houses our STEAM lab, our culinary program, and our Storytime Cafe. Storytime Cafe is where my friends and I like to grab a hot latte or a snack before we head to class.
So our program begins in kindergarten and goes all the way up through 12th grade. Our scholars are in middle school. They're learning real skills, knife skills, handling blenders and foods of every different description. And then when they're in high school, they're taking this as a CTE course, or a Career and Technical Education course. And this one helps them not only get a scholarship that they have to work to earn, but it gives them real practical skills for the workplace. We teach them food safety and sanitation. They also get a chance to work with equipment, get a job, apply for a work right in our cafe, and they become a real team as a class.
Thanks for showing us around the Grace Center classrooms. My name's Tyson and I want to show you all around the STEAM lab. In the STEAM lab, we get to play with robots and Legos. We even have a 3D printer. Our elementary classes learn about science, technology, and engineering. Come, let's explore Sprout Village together.
We do incredible things here. In reading, we are pushing the boundaries. We're teaching the nuances of text. We're experiencing literature in real time. And in math, we're using concepts and tools to invigorate the senses so that it is fun and engaging and applicable and real. Our scholars are pushed to do hard things. It's incredible to see what they can accomplish when given the tools and the confidence.
Learning comes alive in our Discovery Annex.
Welcome to the Discovery Annex. Here in kindergarten, we are all about creativity and learning. We believe in the power of play, whole brain teaching, and making learning fun and exciting. Our goal is to help your child fall in love with learning. We encourage the children to think critically, solve problems, and connect ideas, all while fostering an environment of collaboration and kindness.
Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. Visit oneschool.net if you'd like to find out more on how you can enroll.